Today I'm doing a review on this castor oil pack wrap. This pack wrap was gifted to me in exchange for my review today. Now this is a plus size. It does fit 36 to 50 inches and it is leak proof. I love the way that this feels as I open up the product. And there is one for the neck and it is adjustable. It has Velcro on it. The Velcro seems very durable and it seems very nice and it will last for a long time. Now what you do is you put the castor oil on the back side, the flannel side. The other side is designed so it is leak proof. Today it seems very soft. You can put a hot or a cold pack in here too. There's a little zipper for it. Drops of the castor oil on your wrap itself. You should have it on for about an hour. And they do recommend that you do keep it on overnight. It takes about 3 tablespoons on the waist. And you just go ahead and you just put that on there. Now these wraps do help for many different things. They help with insomnia, it helps with constipation, upset stomachs, detoxing, joint pain, muscle pain. All in all, I believe these are going to be a great wrap and help me with many different ailments I have.